Well, okay, so how do you install and download Node.js on your systems? So this video will show you how you can do the same on your Windows machine. But if you want to do the same things on your Mac OS or Ubuntu based systems, you can also do the same. Almost the things will remain the same. So you'll first of all go to the browser. You'll just type Node.js. You'll go to its official website. You can directly hit this download link. So there you'll find two options. One is an LTS and one is a current version. So I'll prefer you to go with the LTS version because this is the long time support, right? So this is more fixed one. So you'll just click on this one, right? If you have any other specifications, you can like select from here also. Just hit on this Windows installer and it will download this thing for you, right? The setup for you. So once that downloaded, you can easily click on that. It will take some time. As soon as it will complete. Cool. So it's fairly simple. Just click on accept and just press on hitting next and next. This will be the default path. If you want to change it, you can change it, but I will say that keep it as it is. Yeah. And all these things, it will tell you like it will install Node.js runtime, it will install core path managers and all these things. So yeah, it will also like keep on, it will add it to the path automatically. So you don't need to worry about that as well. So just click on next, and now it will ask you to download some necessary package and all. So it will also install Chocolatey and all with you with this package. So you can also click on this and you can hit next. Then finally you can hit this next. It will ask for you to confirm it once again, and once you are there, it will start copying the files. It will start downloading it. It will take some time. I'll fast forward it. Yeah, once that's downloaded, you can finish it, and then it will run an extra terminal so that you can download that Chocolatey and all. So just keep on pressing continue. Just keep on pressing next. It will most probably download this package. Yeah, it will take some time. Yes. We'll open a PowerShell. Same thing will go on, and this will take some time. Again, I'll fast forward it. Yeah, so with that thing, it is finally downloaded. How we can check it is just go to CMD and just run node over here. Yes, now you can see that it is giving you an option to like it is giving you the message ki welcome to Node.js. So that means ki your Node.js is successfully downloaded, and once that is done, now you are good to go, and now you can start working. So that's all.